SkyPro POV Camera. It's a compact, hands-free action camera that claims to record your adventures in 4K or Full HD, right from your point of view. Sounds impressive, right? Perfect for biking, vlogging, traveling, or exploring without holding a camera. According to the website, it comes with AI video stabilization, clear audio, an ultra-wide lens, voice control, and even Wi-Fi and Bluetooth for easy sharing. But the big question is it legit, or is it just another overhyped gadget? Let's break it down together. First red flag. The website proudly shows logos of big media brands like GQ, BBC, Vogue, and National Geographic. Now here's the problem. There are no links, no articles, no proof showing that these companies actually featured this product. That's unusual. Because if a brand is truly featured by major media houses, they usually show evidence. Without proof, it raises a serious question. If this claim isn't real, what about the rest? Second concern. When we check the product images, we notice something worrying. Many of the photos appear to be copied directly from the internet. They're not original images of the actual product. This is a big trust issue. Genuine brands usually show real photos, real packaging, and real usage shots. Using stock or duplicated images often means they may not even have the product they're advertising. Next up, the marketing tactics. And honestly, this is where things start to feel very pushy. Constant 50% discounts, free gifts, only a few left in stock, and countdown timers that never actually end. Have you noticed that? No matter when you visit, it's always last chance. That's a classic pressure selling trick. And the testimonials? They sound generic, staged, and overly perfect. It feels less like a real brand, and more like a sales funnel designed to rush you into buying. Now let's talk about the camera specs. This one is important. The SkyPro claims to be a 4K POV camera, but there are no real technical details provided. No sensor information, no bitrate, no confirmation if the 4K is native or just upscaled. They also don't clearly mention frame rates, actual battery performance, or storage limitations. For a camera product, this lack of transparency is a big problem, because without specs, you're basically buying blind. What about real user reviews? Well, the website only shows glowing feedback, but these look more like marketing testimonials than real experiences. So we looked outside the website. On Trustpilot, the site has a 3.2 star rating with just one review, rated 1 star, and it straight up calls the product a scam. Now, one review alone isn't enough to make a final decision, so we checked Reddit too. And surprisingly, there's almost no discussion at all about this product. That lack of real-world feedback makes it hard to trust. So, what's the final verdict? SkyPro POV Camera shows multiple warning signs, fake media claims, copied images, misleading discounts, missing technical details, and unreliable reviews. Is it proven to be a scam? Not exactly. But is it a high-risk purchase? Absolutely. Until the brand becomes more transparent and trustworthy, this is a product we'd recommend avoiding. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest product breakdowns.